Good morning from Hostel Plaza de Mayor in Carrion de los Condes. It's going to be about a 32 kilometer today to Moratinos. Nothing between here and the next town, which is about 16 kilometers. So take a few biscuits with me, a banana, and a bottle of water. We'll see what the day holds. Looks like it's going to be another beautiful one. And off into the darkness here at 6:15 a.m. Let's go see the far end of it. Beautiful, cool morning. I ran into a lovely couple from Ireland, heading the same direction. It's cool this morning. The half day yesterday must have done me good, feeling really strong. And so, if my plan works out, I'll be in Lyon on Wednesday. I have a package arriving there that was actually supposed to get to me in New Mexico on the Continental Divide Trail. It never actually got there. It got back to my home about 7 days ago in Montana. So I'll enjoy my new prescription glasses and a couple of other things that I've been waiting for. So what a beautiful morning. Let's see what it brings. Here we are coming into the small village of Moratinos. It will be my stopping place for today after 18 miles. Perfect day, cool in the morning, not too hot the rest of the hiking day. And I'll be staying at the hostel Moratinos. Talked to a couple other pilgrims at the last stop and they'll be here too. Looks like a large place. The village is tiny, tiny. It has been a rewarding day.